po, sabi. Ang apat na bahay. Alam niyo po ba yung malaki na diversion, sabi? Tingnan nga natin dito. Ang apat na bahay. Gilid lang po ng irrigation bahay namin after Philips Spring.
Tanong mo na rito. Ayun eh. Pagtanong nga po, anong pangalan?
Elsa.
Saan po yung Elsa? Elsa po rito? Elsa. Elsa po. Ano pinito?
Domingo.
Elsa Domingo po.
Elsa Macugay Domingo.
There's a mountain there. It's so far away that it's almost it's so far away that it's almost blue. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
It's so far away that it's almost blue. Gosh, what happened?
Elsa Domingo po. Elsa Domingo. Opo. Kulay green to, up and down. Salamat po. May pang-apat yung bahay.
Talking about how I see the mountain and it's so far to be noticed. Like,
Kulay green.
Mama, Ma,
Hindi ba yun? Yung kulay green.
Mama, 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 Mama.
Asa dito?
Kaliwa ba siya? Kanan?
Wala sumakat.
The mountain, ah! I don't see it because of, ah!
Tao po. Tao po. Tao po.
Tao po!
Ito nga yun, may lambat.
Tao po!
Dito po yung bahay ni ano?
Tao po!
Ay,
Nalaglag ka dyan. Pag nalaglag yung phone mo na yan, bahala ka. Ay,
Kasi,
tarantado ka, ilalaglag kita eh.
ay, nabaya ka sa kanina.
Saan?
Ay, nasa gilid lang ayun. Sa baba.
Naku po, eh, malaglag pa ako.
Hindi na yun. Ito ba yun? Ang ano naman, ang layo naman sa bayan. Mura lang daw naman dito. Kada malaglag ka dyan.
Tanginan ko.
Buklit ka na
Ay,
naman sa ama mo.
suntukin ko yung
getting pretty dark out here. You know, sometimes these rivers, yes, those rivers like things, yeah, you know, sometimes they are pretty deep.
Bigyan mo kay mama mo.
Baka kilala mo pa yung
Kasi ang tandaan ko rin ng mga nagtitinda lang yung matabang babae, yung andun sa
chocolate yung katabi ko.
Why did you give me that?
Water.
Sometimes those rivers can be super deep, which is why they are real. Which is why the bottom of the river cannot be seen. Yes, of course, it cannot be seen. So here's a fishing net, which is pretty big enough to catch a whole shark, big enough to catch a shark pack, at least. Oh, frick. Look at these.
Wala pa.
wala ka pang salok na gano'n. Para makita natin. Ayun, malalaki naman siya.
Oh man,
Malayo pa.
there are so many small things. All right, let's go to here.
Yung phone.
The adult? Is that the bat? That's the adult bat.
Kasi ito yung pinang susorting ko sa mga maliliit na mga friends. Tatluan, may apatan din. Hindi naman sila nakakita kanina.
Okay, guys. It was a pretty good here, but yeah. But yeah, it's great. I hope you liked it, but this isn't the end yet. I still have to go home, which will be another long hour or more. Oh. What? Why am I so wise? Look at them. Normal.
Hindi ka ba nag-apply?
Why did it turn dark?
Nag-try na kami ng tilapia ng kaya rin
Water, so man. Sorry. Hold on. Get up this little. Oh, holy Jesus. Why does that look like something else I just... Oh. So here's the full ground, I guess. Oh god dang, this is so hot. I don't think it will be. I think it's very hot, I guess. Why does that stretch to there and stretches up to there?
Ilang tao kaya yung tumumba dyan kanila. Dapat may dapat kayo. Ayun, yung gamit namin. Ilang tao yung nanggaro na nangilang nila. Meron akong pandyan, may tabukol. Pwede naman siguro yun.
Ay, ilang kilo daw?
Pwede ba? Pwede ba kuya yung tabukol?
Yung ano?
No, sometimes these are the large.
Nagkakahilan ng cellphone mo, anak.